Hi YouTube. Well, this is the day everybody's leaving the van build. We're gonna do some cleanup, and I thought I'd give you an idea. I already put the ladder away, otherwise I'd get up on the roof and show you, but you can see it's pretty much cleared out. The admin tents are all gone down there. A lot of the stakes we put in, all that stuff's gone. Down below, I think everybody cleared out the day it was raining because they're all worried about being down below if it rained really hard. I don't think it was a big worry, but you can see it's pretty much all cleaned out down there. So, was it a successful van build? Yes, it was. The fan crew here, we figure we put in, we worked on 41 vehicles and put in 47 fans, because we put in about a half dozen or so. We put in 2 fans into one vehicle. So pretty busy. We actually did a couple yesterday when everybody else was winding down. Solar was swamped as usual, and carpentry was swamped, and well, everybody, lots and lots of work to be done and got done. Not all of it got done, just ran out of time, and a couple days, or a day with rain and a day with threatening rain sort of slowed things down. But there's a Boondockers Bash down at Dome Rock, and quite a few of us are going to go down there for Thanksgiving, and we'll pick up where we left off. My buddy Badge, whose channel is Badge Everyone Needs One, he put up a video, his last one, about the van build. He had a good point that people like Jackson and I, we come here, we do work, but there's some people that come here just to drive around and be part of the van build, but they don't contribute, they don't pay the things, they don't have the wristband. It's sort of a bad thing, you know. Reason this is only my second video here is I've been busy.
How many fans did you put in?
I just told them we worked on 41 vehicles and put in 46 or so fans. Carpentry, I think Cece's already gone, or I'd take you over and show you her van, what they did. It was beautiful, and she's the one whose van burned up just before the van build started, and she's back on the road. A really nice rig. So anyway, time to clean up. So leave you guys this, and I don't know, see where the road takes me. I got a couple things might be doing, and well, another project for myself after I rest up for a little bit. So see you later.
Great dude right here.
He ain't so bad either.